Okay, guys. Hi, guys. It's your boy Duncan the Trader. Yeah, I would like to apologize for not uploading and not being with you for a couple days. I think it's a week though. But then yeah, I apologize for that and I apologize for not uploading. So today is Sunday. I just wanna do a market breakdown so that I can share with you what I'm going to do then next week, starting from tomorrow, since it's NFP week. And yeah, I will be looking where can we chase and where can we do our things. So first of all, I will go to my trading view app and I'll share with you whatever that I'm supposed to share with you, since you are my people. So first of all, thank you for for 22 subscribers. 22, 24 subscribers. Thank you for that, and thank you guys for supporting me. I wish I could have more, but then yeah, definitely I will have more with you guys. If you put your trust in me, I will deliver what you want. Okay. So first of all, let's start with gold. Guys, I love trading gold. Why? Because of it respects my setup. That's what I love about trading gold. It respects my setup, and what again? And I love trading Nasdaq. But then when I'm trading Nasdaq, I just gambling. I just gamble. Because I had a bad, bad experience with it last week. I think I lost around 2k. No, it's not actually 2k, 3 point something on Nasdaq in one day. Which is bad, by the way. But we always learning. Even if we lose money, as long as we win money. You know. So first of all, let's start with gold. Share USD. Okay, I'm rotate my phone and I'll show you what's happening with gold. Um, this was the trade that I took, but then I exited the trade. Why? Because of I'll show you why I exited the trade. I thought I had a I had a strong support. I mean resistance here. You see here, that's why I exited my trades there. Let me show you here. Since I saw this touch and it break out and it gave a retest, which it was confirming a resistance level, and it came again here and again here and again here, which is something that it shows me that we have a strong resistance. Okay, so first of all, I caught the trade here and then I exited somewhere around here, and from here I took sells. And then when the market approaches somewhere here, I exited. And then from here, I was looking for buys. That's why you can see that I'm in a buy position. But then in my MetaTrader, I'm not in there. So it broke out and then it's going up. So with gold, let me start with weekly time frame so that you can understand everything. Okay. Let me delete what is supposed to be deleted and then let's go further. Let me delete. Weekly. Let's start there since we are starting a new week tomorrow. Okay, this is what we see in weekly time frame. Okay, so guys, I forgot to tell you. I think from next week I'll be doing my analysis on the bigger screen so that I can spice up my content and deliver the quantity and the quality, you know, which is what you want, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is what is happening. Where I can say what we can see this level here. We have first and second, and then here we have our strong support level from our weekly time frame. Okay, let me delete this thing so that you can see from there. We had a from there we had a from our second touch. we had a bearish structure. That bearish structure, it was last year, it was going down. Okay, you can see that it was going down, and then it turned here, it went up. Why? Because we have this candlestick here, which is represent a strong support. As you can see here, we have our first and second and third touch, and on our third touch it went up, creating a bullish structure. After a bullish structure, that bullish structure, it was completing this downtrend. Okay, so after completing that downtrend, we can see a breakout, strong breakout, and then it fell. So let me go deeper to daily time frame so that we can see clearer, more clear and more simpler things. The more we go down, the more we see things clear when you started at the bigger time frame. So this is what it was confusing me. We had this thing, we had a downtrend, okay, and then we have a bullish trend, and on our bullish trend we broke out, representing what? Sellers. Since we touched this zone, okay, it was representing sellers. I was expecting to go down, but then within that trend, after it broke out, it formed a new trend, which it was bearish trend. Okay, that is what it is. Like, I mean, sorry for that. It confused me. Okay, I got confused, but then surely I did find the trade, and then I was not chasing the market. I just waited, and then it printed the way I was expecting, but then it did confuse me. So if we can go to if you can see this red bar, surely you can see it. It has our first touch, second touch, and breakout and retest, and retest again, and then it broke out. When it broke out here, I was looking for this to go down here. I was looking for sellers. I mean, okay, let me go. I was looking to take sales here, take sales and put this on top of my resistance structure, and this was going to be a long-term trade. Okay, it was going to be a long-term trade because I was going to hold it until somewhere here. It was going to be a long-term trade, but then after the breakout, I saw that no, man, there's something fishy, there's something going on in the market. Okay, so let's dive deeper and let's go to 4-hour time frame, and let us see more for what is happening. It's H4. Okay, this is what is happening in H4. Okay, let me delete what is supposed to be deleted, guys. Let me delete. 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 Let me delete this zone again. Okay, this is what we see. We can see that we have after the breakout, this is a breakout because we can see by the momentum. After that momentum, we had a correction. After that correction, we did call a trade here, but then we didn't go far with it because I was afraid. Sometimes like when you enter a trade and you feel like it's not gonna go on your way, and then you just exit, and after you exit, that trade goes deeper and goes deeper into profits. So one thing that I learned from this is that when you execute your trade, have a plan before. Just have a plan, because if you have a plan, you can go far. Okay, so okay, after the breakout, you have a correction, impulse. Okay, and then from here we did form another structure within structure, but then I was focusing on the main structure, on what is happening. So we did form a double bottom here. Okay, let me mark that. Let me mark double bottom. Okay, after that double bottom, we saw a momentum shift, which means it was representing buyers. After that, we had a breakout, and then after that breakout, that's where my first trade, it was on gold, when I was looking for longs, and this, it was going to be a long-term trade. But because of fear, I didn't manage to hold it. You see, it looks nice. But then if you can go to smaller time frame, you can see and cater for uh nice stop loss and accurate, because me, I don't put my stop loss on how much I'm willing to lose. I'm putting my stop loss where I know if the market reaches here, my setup is invalidated. you know I don't put how much I'm going to lose. Definitely that's not me. I trade according to analysis that I got. So if we can go to, let me, a lot of you love 1 hour time frame, okay, but then let me go to 2 hour first. Within the structure we have another structure. Okay, this is another structure. This is another structure. Okay, it's another structure, and then we have a breakout and retest, and then it's short, it went up. So let's go to 1 hour, since a lot of you love trading on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I just get a view of what is happening. Actually, I love trading on H4, definitely. Okay, let me change this to line graph. You can see how the market moved. You can see how the market moved. But then me, bruh, like this year, I just want to deliver content to you guys. Deliver content, and learn as much as I can. Because it's been 3 years in the game right now, and hopefully I'm expecting something from myself from trading on its own. I'm expecting blessings from this thing. you know so 1 hour, it does confuse me, because on gold it has a lot of candlesticks. So I love trading H4, where I can see what is happening. Actually, you can see H4 is nice and beautiful. It's nice and beautiful. It's nice and beautiful. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys, because this trade is still going up. We can expect it. Here's another zone here. That's where I can be like, okay, here's another zone. If I took that trade, yes, I did took that trade, but then I'm not in on it right now. I exited because of fear. But I think I should deal with that personally and by myself, because there's no one who's going to deal with that beside me. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you with gold, guys. And since it's more volatile and it's affected by the news, that's what I wanted to share with you. Okay, by the way, we can look at what Nasdaq. Let me give you a clue on Nasdaq, what is happening. you know but then this one, I analyzed it on okay, this is Nasdaq. If same thing applies to Nasdaq, guys, if I didn't have a fear, I was gonna bring back the money that I lost, because I was gonna be above, I'm sure, above 6K or 7K. But then because of fear, there's this thing when you're trading, guys. And just understand, guys, when you're trading by your own, just do simple stuff. you know this is what is happening on Nasdaq. I was looking for buys, and it came nice, 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 and I did caught it, but then I exited too early. you know and even the sellers, bro, I did caught Nasdaq sellers by the time it was dropping hard. And I think I managed. I will show you my trading account, and yeah, on the loss that I made and how I'm improving on that. Okay, this is nice, guys. There's nothing that I can share. I'm expecting is selling moves from next week. I think, according to my analysis, the way they tell me, Nasdaq will be selling, gold will be selling from next week, which is tomorrow, Monday. Okay, so let me share with you what is happening on my trading account. Uh, let me show you what happened. Okay, let's go to MT4. Fear, guys. Fear is something that kills a lot of traders like us, but then since I noticed, I think I should just deal with it, because right now I can analyze, I can do things on my own, I can do anything by my own, but then I have a fear, you know but then surely it's still March. By the end of March, I'm supposed to be done with it, and move to the next one, you know. Because everyone, guys, everyone, there's where he or she lacks in the market, You can make profits, yes, but then there's that thing that that you lack with, you know. So let's go to Nasdaq. I was trading Nasdaq. Let me show you something. Let me show you something on Nasdaq H4. You see, this video was same thing. So I'm expecting sellers from Nasdaq next week. This thing is going to drop according to my analysis. But then surely we'll just see how the market act or respect what we did, respect our analysis or and everything, you know. So let me go back and show you how my trading account is flowing. And yeah, by the way, you can see that I'm on a loss, negative 1130.38. You can see that. Okay, so let's go to last month. You can see that even if I'm making loss, I'm still in profits, I'm still doing profits, I'm still making profits, you know. So it is wise for you to learn and know how to handle yourself, because guys, Nasdaq pra it showed me flames. I can go with you down, down, down there, so that you can see. Oh, okay, yeah, they start here. This is how I trade, guys. This is how I trade. I do take losses, I do take profits, I do take losses, profits, even on gold. I love gold, but then sometimes you will have those things. Okay, this this it was first stop loss on gold, because I saw the buy and I executed it, and then it hit my stop loss and I went again, you know. So this it was sell on gold, and yeah. So this is what is happening, guys. I closed too early. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this buy, because you can see it has a swap. That means I I I, I holded this thing for a day. Yeah, I think a day or 2 days, you know. So Nasdaq, guys. Okay, here's Nasdaq starting negative 300, positive 5, positive 72, 1000 profits, 400, negative 358, negative, guys, Nasdaq, bruh, negative 764, plus 107, and then yeah, here it is. And then last year I have positive 2256, you know which I think is the trade that puts my account into. But then overall, these things, losses and profits, and overall I'm in profit, you know with this account. So we're just expecting what we can see. And then even on my what on my yeah, I think I have funds, by the way, because a lot of you will be saying 290. Why 290? I do have funds in my in my account. Yeah, let me do this. I do have funds. Let me just show you, and from there we'll just see each other next time, because next time is tomorrow, when I'm going to upload again. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But then, I felt like crying by the time I was losing 2,000, like within minutes though. You know, it was. I deposited 1.5 each core. I'm bad. Kabushita 5. I'm bad. I got I fuck man. Sorry for that language, but then I man, I know man. Kabuchicha kalathala bagay 1,000, and then actually 1,000 from there. I made another 1,000, and I went again and I made loss. I went again and made profit. So as you can see, my dashboard 1,604. Okay, so yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys, and I love you. I appreciate your love. If you're not yet subscribed, please click the thing. You know, subscribe to my boy, to the boy. I mean, subscribe, like, and share. Do that thing for me, guys. Do it. You know. And thank you for being here. I appreciate your love, and I love you too, guys. Thank you for your time. We'll see each other next time.